So in 2 weeks from today, we're going to be going canoe camping as a family. We're going to start off this video a little earlier, show a little bit of the prep work that goes into it. We'll introduce you more to all of that later, but we got 2 nights coming up with some canoes. We're going to paddle 3 miles across Umbagog State Park in northern New Hampshire, Errol. And I need a trailer to hold the canoes. So I'm going to build this one. Here's 2 of the canoes that we're going to be using. This one we just took last weekend for a little trip, and you can see there's some little holes have developed. It seems like it's rotting away a little bit, so we got to address those. This is the other canoe, the new one here, and then the trailer, which I have to assemble. It's an old camper trailer that we took apart, pop up, and got to put a frame on it. As you can see, did a little grinding, put a frame on it in order to support the canoe storage rack. So that's the project of the day here, part of the prep work, as well as the packing and all the other stuff, but that's it for today. Okay, progress so far today. Got the cross members put in, the uprights. Kids are painting.
Right there.
Doing good. Leftover spray paint. Just because we can. But progress is good. We got about 6 feet between the 2 poles. The uprights, we just got to put the verticals on and some sort of decking.
Can I butter these in before?
That's it for the day. On the road. Still eating breakfast. There's Austin. Somebody sitting next to him, maybe Millie.
Hi. Hi, Bear. Okay, do you want a pen? What?
You have to say your name.
Oh, well, what's your name?
Dad already told me my name.
Hi, my name is Roman. What's your name? Wyatt.
Alright. Things are holding together. Stopped here at the basin because I have a picnic area. Lunchtime. Really nice little picnic area. There they are.
Mom, if you don't want your salad.
Look at that.
Hi, Daddy. Oh, yeah, Dad, we packed you plenty of sandwiches.
Thank you for eating.
Not good, they're peanut butter and jelly.
So we'll have that happen. Nice little place.
This one's Roman's.
Paddling along, there's Mom. Up ahead is Austin and Kinsley. Here we have Elena and Roman. Roman's not paddling too hard currently. But they got the motor. Pointing at. No. Hold it. There you go.
There we go.
Alright. It's going okay. Barely left. We have about 3 miles here to get to our campsite. So, probably an hour or 2 of paddling on Umbagog Lake as I'm instructed to tell it. There's the campground there. Mountains in the distance. Public boat launch there. There they are.
Oh, the back is sinking.
Wyatt, Mom, Roman. Oh, Roman's there. Nico, Kristen.
I think we're in front of you guys.
Going good. Say the average water depth here is about 10 to 14 feet.
Right, we're going in front of you. Yep, we're in front of you.
Nice clear water though. Austin and Kinsey are still up there. There's Austin, Millie, Kinsley floating along.
Millie, lean back and enjoy the ride.
She's just chilling. So over here we've found Big Island. Big Island is where our campsite is, but we're on this end and you have to go around it. There.
Wait, why can't we just
go in? And that's our campsite. So. Site number 4.
Yeah, you're the tail. Come on, birthday girl, show me what you got.
It does happen to be Elena's birthday today. Happy birthday, Elena. How old are you?
10.
10 years old, she says. What a way to spend a birthday. That's pretty special. Thanks, guys. Come on, she's cheating, but she's holding the baby, so we'll let it go. Yeah. Lie it up high on his throne. Big Island, there's a campsite there with some people at it. I wrote one. And then up there, you see the red roof. That appears to be a private residence, which is a whole bunch here on this lake. Those guys are taking off on us. I guess we better get going. See if Mom can make it in here without sinking. There's a big rock in front of her.
They jump out. Mom, stop us from hitting that rock.
Alright. This is where we stop. Quick tour of the site before we get carried away. Nice little fire pit. Picnic table. Tent platform here. A lot of nice isolation. Oh, nice area for a tent there. Looks like some sort of critter feces. And then our own private latrine. Nice. Sanitizer, toilet paper, 3 sides, and a stick to poke the pile just in case. Small island, there's water there. On the very tip, Big Island. Should be good. Cooking for here. Brats. More brats. Longer brats. Kids. Mom. Fishermen. Babysitter.
Come on. Which kind is that?
They're both all the
Camp set up, going good. Clothesline hung up. They've been swimming already. Nice.
You never know. He might be.
Elena, happy birthday.
Thank you. Want ketchup?
Helping each other out. Boy, is that nice.
I know that.
Some fun down at the water. Johnny.
Dad, do you want to see my rock? Do you
These
want to see
guys.
this Grand Canyon hat?
Grand
Found in the
Canyon hat.
woods. Dad,
Oh,
there's
nice.
this rock that I found.
What is that one?
It's like a
Rinse it
mountain.
off in the water.
Okay.
Wash it with some Dawn dish soap and some water, and it can dry out.
This one's like a horse.
Okay.
The hat. Scrub it
This
off with
one
some
is
soap.
like, I think it's just like a mountain.
Okay.
This one is like a steep cliff. And this one, I don't know what it's like. Like this one is.
Look at this guy. What's he doing?
Mom.
There he goes.
Don't you think it's awfully pretty, Dad?
Yeah.
I like it here.
Kind of neat. Kids are snorkeling.
No! Where am I? Oh, I can't touch the bottom with these flippers! Kinsley, don't come here and do a 360. What?
Looks like this dude busted his line.
I hooked into a monster bass.
A monster bass.
His name was the ground.
Monster bass or the ground, we're not sure. Okay.
So then can I try them? So then I can try dive with them and you can just leave your... And I can try
Up and
them.
weights.
Because you just
Yep.
said it was fun.
Any other catches of the day? Any other catches of the day? No other catches. There's another fish
Sounds
around.
like fun. I love diving. Oh, please.
That's weed, so.
Yeah, but... We're gonna dive.
Alright, let's see you cast it out. Oh, nice.
That was not good. Houses.
What you guys got going on over
We're
here?
making houses. See, have to come up my big drive.
Ooh,
First you need to cut up my
big
big
driver,
driver.
okay.
Then there's my house and there's my chimney and there's my fire.
Oh, alright. And what do we got over here?
Oh, those are birds' nests.
Bird's nest.
And in here is where you can go and sleep if you want to.
Uh-huh.
Because it's a little cave.
Alright, and this is
Hey,
mine.
why not? You guys can go into my house and then go in there and sleep. In the cave? Yeah. That's
How
cool.
about you, Millie? What do you got going on?
She also has a house.
Where's your house?
Millie, go show him your house. I don't have a fire though.
You lost it?
No. It's over where? Yeah, you know, it's
We lost the house. That's okay. That's fine.
it got broken.
Yeah.
It's right there by Dad's feet.
Oh, right here. There it is. Nice.
I didn't have a fire.
No, you don't need a fire. Yep.
No, my fire was right here.
Oh, I see. Alright, cool.
And here's my
Saturday morning. Kinsley's looking for a squirrel. Wyatt left us fishing on the ground.
No.
And look at these guys. Girls. And a boy. You have a good night?
Mhm.
Was your birthday decent yesterday?
Mhm.
What's the best part thus far?
I don't know.
Mm. Millie, Millie, did you have a good night? Yeah? You slept good? Nice. And Mom is working on breakfast. Nice, we're all hungry. Getting lunch going here. And some excitement. Oh, Austin caught himself a perch. But that's cool. Proof that there's fish in the lake. Some jealous folks here.
I did. I'm going to fish
A little choppy today. Nice view. A little windy, but that's okay. My avid swimmers and fishing folks. Why? What's the secret to catching all those fish?
I'm not telling you.
You're not telling me.
No.
How many have you caught so far today?
2.
Huh?
2.
2. All right, and you're not going to tell me the secret.
No. I know the secret.
Does it have anything to do with what's in your hands right there? What is that?
Clam.
A clam. What happened? Oh, here.
Dad, I know the secret.
I think we might know. Oh, what do you got in there?
Clam.
They're actually mussels, but yeah, okay. Do you know the secret?
I know the secret. Don't tell him.
Yeah, that's okay. He doesn't want us to know. Pretty sure we do know, though.
He told me.
Hey, your snorkel's filling up with water there, sir.
Nope.
You don't care. Okay.
Daddy, he has some fishes that we're going to eat. That's your pleasure house.
Over here, this guy, he exploring works. What do you got going on over here? Roman, what do you got going on over here?
Swimming.
Swimming? Why so far away from everybody else? All right, let's head back that way. The wind is pretty strong today. Very nice. Is it fun? Huh? Is it fun?
I got this side.
You kick.
Because I made it last time.
Look at these guys, huh?
I put my knee right here. Yeah, step on here. Yeah, whoa! Go backwards.
Look at these guys. By jumping in.
Can I show you something?
Sure.
Okay, you ready? Jump, jump.
It doesn't actually hurt.
Let's see.
Me? Yeah. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, Millie, do it again.
Okay. Dad, I'm gonna show you magic trick.
Okay.
It's a magic trick.
See Millie's magic.
That looked dreadfully close.
You almost landed on the rock with Millie's magic.
Oh man, this is not fun.
That is fun. Can you see my magic?
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't ever want to see that again.
Oh boy, here we go. Look at this.
It's on number 3.
Oh wow. His rod was bent for that thing.
It bends even if you don't catch a fish. My hand's gonna be special.
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. Mom, this was Mom. Mom, see how he did it?
There's so many bugs. Don't bring the light over here.
Evening time. Grumpy guy.
Why attracts bugs? I already have enough bugs.
So ladies,
I already have enough.
I don't even know if you can
thus
tell
far
who
a
I
fair
am.
trip.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Yeah, I thought you were Get out of here, you dumb bugs.
It's pretty impressive for somebody who didn't want to come.
I never said I didn't want to.
I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
All right. About 4 o'clock. Heard a bang and our food bin is open. Looks like a coon come to visit. So have to figure out how to try to secure this for the rest of the night. I don't see him anywhere. But you know he'll be back.
Get the boys up. Hey boys, come on, time to get up. Breakfast is almost, no, it's actually not. It's getting made. We're having pancakes. Let's go. Do you need me to double check your awakeness? I can do that too. Well, let's go. It's gonna probably be raining on the way back, so let's go. We're gonna eat breakfast, pack up, and get started. And now at least Tristan's awake.
It's our last day. We gotta get everything packed up and get out of here.
Oh, Dad, you forgot my phone jumper.
Yeah.
Well, that's not laundry.
Packing up here. It's raining, a little windy. Not a hard rain. Just enough to make things miserable.
Really? I'm
I'm hiding out under a tree here.
Okay.
Dad, isn't this the canoe that we're taking? Which canoe am I
And
taking?
there's the rain and the water.
Canoe am I taking? I'm taking this.
So long to campsite number 4. Got some hard-working paddlers here. I'm just trying to grab the motor over there, sticking out of the ground. And those guys are out there a little ways.
Dad, how are you?
A bit of a breeze, a bit of a sprinkle. Probably gonna get wet. Well, we already are. Who am I kidding? All right, the rain is picking up.
That waterproof?
Paddlers are in good spirits. As are those ones. And those ones. They came from over there. Over that way. So the campsite made it across. Made it across the way here into the less windier area. So we're coming up to that shore. Gonna have to. Just so you see, there's not total meanness here. He's got a baby and a trolling motor, a luxury relaxing young man, and then a steering guy. Yeah, they got it good. And over there, we got Austin, Kinsley, and Millie paddling. Really decent water right now. Seems moderately shallow.
Why can you put dry clothes
And hit back to paddling. Little pause here. We're about almost 2 miles in. Let's stop to take a little break and reconvene. We gotta go. Right about there. What do you guys think thus far? You gonna make it?
I think so. It's a lot shorter going back.
A lot shorter going back.
Yeah.
Hey, Millie, I'll take my glasses again.
Nice. Austin, thoughts? Tristan, thoughts? You gonna make it back?
With luck.
With luck. Oh. Roman, what do you think, Mr. Lounger over there? Look at this guy.
That one. The lounger.
Oh, look at this lounger.
Yeah,
too.
Millie's the lounger
Oh,
here.
Millie. Millie, what do you got going on there? Just hanging
Hey,
out?
Millie, where are your glasses?
She has them in her hair.
Oh, okay.
Here,
Alright,
if
let's
you don't
try
want to
not
wear
lose
them,
those,
then put
okay?
them right there so you don't lose them.
All right. Cool, cool. What does Nico think, huh? Yeah.
Oh man, Austin, you have to turn.
Yeah, let's fix it. If you want to get over here, please. Good trip. It rained, but we all got along. Changing into dry clothes and do it again. We got a 4-hour drive home. We'll see how that goes. best part was the family time. We did a lot together. That was cool. Everybody came. It seems like everybody enjoyed themselves. Yeah, I don't really have much for negatives.
Go up and say, the best part of this trip was. Say the best part of the trip, Chris. Okay. The best part of the trip is canoeing. What was the worst part? The rain. Okay, now you can go in your seat. Okay, Roman, come do the same thing. Whatever you think was the best. What was the best part? The campfire. What was the worst part? The rain. The worst part was the rain for Roman. All right, what was the best part? Catching fish. What was the worst part? Rain, I don't know.
Okay, my best part was canoeing.
The best
My worst
part
was looking at your face.
Hey, you need to look into the camera and don't do that.
So sorry.
The best part was everything. And the worst part was the rain. You need me to say it into the camera. So the camera's coming up to you. Listen, what was your best part?
Austin, best part?
The adventure.
The adventure. Worst part?
The fact that we paddled home in the rain.
Paddled home in the rain. Yeah, we got a little wet.
Done. And
That's your final answer? Okay.
done.
Fair enough.
And canoeing.
You like canoeing too? Uh-huh.
Not getting wet.
All right. You didn't like getting wet? Huh?
No.
No. Okay. Wow. I don't think any of us like getting wet.
it hard.
Probably all stale, huh? Is that Elena's birthday donut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think she could eat it?
She could if she wants to. All right, Kinsley, Nico, what was the best part of the trip?
Nico's was that Mom had nothing else to do but hold him.
Ooh, that's right. You like that, huh?
Huh?
Yeah.
And he went without his car seat for 2 days.
Yeah, you thought that was great too? Kinsley?
I like swimming.
You liked the swimming. What was the worst part?
Either the 4-hour drive up here or the 3-mile canoe trip back and there.
You didn't like canoeing?
It wasn't horrible, it just...
But I had to go to the bathroom.
There's my Millie. Waiting on Subway for our lunch. What a delightful day. What do you guys think?
About what?
The day.
Today?
Good.
Yeah, good day. Looking forward to your Subway?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Nice.
Dude.
Why not?
It's in the middle. Did it like right now? Has your day been good?
Thus far.